How to play D flat major scale for alto saxophone. Alright, we're going to start with middle D flat, which is open, no thumb key. Then we go to E flat, then F. Then we're going to use this fork fingering for G flat. That's fork G flat. Then we go to A flat. Then we go to bis B flat, C, and then open D flat with the octave key. Then we come back down. C, bis B flat, A flat, fork fingering G flat, then F, E flat, and then open D flat without the octave key. Alright, let's try playing that together. I'll count to 4 and then we'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4.